In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide an Unhide chat on Snapchat. First of all, you would like to go to the chat screen. An example, it's going to be this one for me. So all you need to do, just go and long press to the chats or on the chat that you want to hide. Let's say an example. I don't know if this chat with AI is good. Let me see like another chat from the tip of Snapchat. So in here, all you need to do, just go here and start a new chat with like myself. And as we said, all I need to do, just go to the chat and keep clicking on the person that you want to hide the chat with. So once you do so simply from here, you will have to click on the chat's settings. And as you can see, I have here chats and notification settings. So I'm just going to click on that. And from here, you should find example delete chats 24 hours after viewing. You'll have this clear from chat feed. This is the thing that we want. So as you can see, are you sure you want that? Because this will clear the conversation from your feed, but it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So this is basically will let you hide the chat. Now, how can we unhide the chat? So all you need to do, just go and click on the search bar right here or the search icon, and you'll have to type the name of the person or your friend name that you hide the chat with. So I just look for myself normally and see. For me, of course, since it's me, probably I'm not going to see it. So for me, I'll have to click on the blue icon, as you can see right here, and I'll be able to click on myself and click on chat. And as you can see, I'll see my chat isn't hidden, and I'll be able to see the chat, and I can go and send another chat again. If I go back, as you can see, it's not hidden anymore. So that's how basically to hide and hide the chats. Thank you for watching and goodbye.